A very good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. Today I am going to explain one more topic, that is law of demand. Law of demand, I have already told that there is an inverse relationship between price of a commodity and its quantity demanded. So the law of demand explains inverse and negative relation between the price and quantity demanded of a commodity, assuming other factors affecting the demand to be constant. Other factors means all the other factors we have studied, that other factors apart from commodities own price, like consumer taste and preference, then price of related goods, then expectation of future change in price, income distribution, change in size of population, then change in weather condition or climatic condition. All these are the other factors which affect the demand of the consumer. So we assume, because any law operates behind any assumption. So in law of demand we are assuming that other factors remain constant. There is no change in other factors, only there is a change in commodities own price. Okay, so it shows the inverse relationship. Other things being equal, quantity demanded of a commodity is inversely related to the price of the commodity. In other words, you can say, when price of a commodity rises, quantity demanded of the commodity falls, and when price falls, quantity demanded of the commodity rises. So when the price rises, quantity demanded falls, and when price of the commodity falls, quantity demanded rises. This is the law of demand, and this law is applicable only when other factors, okay, assumption is what? Other factors which affect the demand, that other factors remain constant. This is the assumption of this law. According to Marshall also, law of demand states amount demanded increases with the fall in price and diminishes with the price increase. So this definition is given by Marshall. You got this definition easily in your book also, definition of law of demand given by Marshall. So this is law of demand. Assumption that other factors remain constant. Keeping other factors constant, there is an inverse and negative relationship between price of the commodity and its quantity demanded. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone. In next voice message, I will send exceptions of law of demand. Thank you and take care.